Today we're checking out the VEEMENT 2.5K dash cam, a compact but powerful dash camera that brings premium features at a super affordable price. Let's break down what it can do. 2.5K ultra-clear 1440p recording. This front dash cam captures sharp 1440p footage, giving you clear license plates, road signs, and details even in fast traffic. Built-in Wi-Fi plus app control. Easily view, download, and share your footage through the VEEMENT app, making it convenient to access clips without removing the SD card. WDR Night Vision. The wide dynamic range technology balances bright and dark areas for clearer nighttime recordings, perfect for low-light roads. 24/7 parking monitor. With motion and impact detection, the camera keeps an eye on your car even when you're away, providing round-the-clock security. 160 degrees wide-angle lens plus G-sensor. The 160 degrees field of view covers more lanes, and the G-sensor automatically locks emergency videos during sudden impacts. Compact and easy to install. The small form factor keeps your windshield clean and distraction-free. High-quality footage for the price. 2.5K recording with WDR Night Vision is excellent at this budget range. App works smoothly. Wi-Fi connection is stable, and the app makes managing videos simple. No rear camera option. It only records the front, so full car coverage isn't available. Parking mode may require a hardwire kit. For true 24/7 monitoring, you'll likely need to buy the hardwire kit separately. If you want a reliable, compact, and high-quality dash cam without spending a fortune, the VEEMENT 2.5K dash cam is a fantastic choice. Check it out using the link below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment which dash cam you want reviewed